Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up an Exodus wallet. First, navigate to the official Exodus website to download the application. It's crucial to ensure you're on the correct site to avoid fraudulent versions. Once downloaded, proceed with the installation process, which is straightforward and typically takes just a few moments. This initial step is vital for securing your digital assets right from the start. After installing, open the Exodus application. You'll notice your wallet is automatically created upon the first launch, making the initial setup incredibly easy. The next critical step is to secure your funds. Head over to the backup section within the wallet settings. This is where you'll find the tools to protect your assets, so don't skip this important part of the process. Now, let's secure your wallet. Exodus will present you with a 12-word recovery phrase. It's absolutely essential to write this down accurately and store it in a very safe, offline place, like a physical safe. Never share this phrase with anyone. Additionally, create a robust and unique password for your wallet. This password will protect your funds from unauthorized access on your device. With your wallet secured, you're ready to fund it. You can send cryptocurrency to your Exodus wallet address, which is easily found within the Receive section. Exodus also offers a convenient exchange feature, allowing you to swap between different cryptocurrencies directly within the app. Finally, explore the portfolio section to manage your assets and track their performance over time, making it simple to stay on top of your investments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.